What's up, everybody? Matt of Trades here, coming at you with another trading video. Again, we are back testing the same November 9th that we did in the last two videos. However, this time we're going to do the 500 tick chart on the MES futures chart. Last two videos, each bar or candle was worth 100 ticks. Now they're worth 500. I think this will work much better with the MACD strategy that we tried in our last video, where what you do is a little more set in stone. Again, if you didn't watch that last video, I recommend you do so. However, the strategy basically is if it's a clear downtrend, you're below the 200 exponential moving average. Here's an example right here. If the MACD line crosses above the zero line while in a downtrend or below the 200 EMA, then that's the strategy. I'll put a link in the description below. The video I referenced in the last video explaining more in detail how this strategy is supposed to work. Supposedly, you can get about 65% win rate on this on a 1.5 to 1 ratio. Okay, that being said, let's get into it and see what we can do. Again, this is November 9th. We're starting at about 8 o'clock. It looks like we're about to get a trade. Maybe. No, not going to take that because it does have a nice uptrend here. It passed through the 200 exponential moving average, so that we're not going to take that. The downside to having higher ticks per candle is that you're probably not going to get as many trades, but hopefully it does increase our win rate, which the last two videos wasn't very good. And hopefully we'll get some more profit. So let's look for a trade opportunity. So it did cross right there. Try and decide if this is a good opportunity or not. It is choppy here. This could just be pullback. Theoretically, this could go up, make a higher high. What the heck? Let's go for it. If this were my real money, I probably wouldn't take this. For educational purposes, let's go ahead and do it. And again, I don't use this is me learning. This is me showing you how I'm learning how to day trade. I'm not using real money yet until I find that I'm able to be consistently profitable with my back testing. So we'll go ahead and get in right there. Set our stop just below right there. All right. First trade, not looking so good so far, but it's just the first trade. We're only half hour in. Let's see. And again, I'm still doing the 2 contracts with a 1 point limit. So if we do lose, if it hits that 1 point, the hurt isn't going to be so bad on our losers. So we did get that in this one right here. Yeah, right there. So we go 5, 10, 15, 20. So we're down 15. All right, let's look for the next trade. Hopefully the next one will be a winner. So now we're in a downtrend. Didn't cross there. The zero line, however. Here we go. Here's an opportunity here. Get in right there. Boom. We did get out right here. We did get our 1 point though, which is good. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 32.5, 27.5 is what we lose. And also keep in mind, because this is a longer time frame, your distances or the trades are going to be larger, um, and they're going to probably take quite a bit longer than with the 100 tick chart. Oh, all right, take this one. Okay, so there's a winner. Okay, right there. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85. Which puts us in the green, $42.50. Okay, let's look for another trade. Looks like the sentiment is down. So we'll go ahead and take that. Go short. Stop right there. And it looks like this is a winner right here. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, let's see, 77.5. Now, if this were real money, I would probably honestly call this a day. My trading portfolio isn't huge, so percentage-wise, that would be a pretty good return. But we're not going to stop because we are educating ourselves, taking trades for education purposes. And I guess technically we could have gone again right here. However, in real life, I probably wouldn't take two trades going at the same time. So we're not going to do that here. All right, so it looks like we're looking at an uptrend now, sort of. Look for something more clear, okay. Cross, there's the cross. Let's see what the sentiment is. Sentiment is looking more up. So I think this is a good trade to try to take. So let's do it. We'll go long. Set our stop probably right here. Oh, there we go. Oops. Right there. So this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 57 and a half. Okay, so this is looking pretty good so far. Let's not get too ahead of ourselves. We're only at 11 o'clock in the trading day. So let's look for another trade opportunity. It looks like we got one here. Okay, we lost our trade here. We didn't get our one pointer, so this is going to be 10, 20, 30, 40, 42 and a half. So what were the losses? Oops, 25. So we're still up 135, which is pretty good. It looks like we might get another opportunity here. I don't. Okay, this is why you wait cross. I don't like the look of this. Looks like we have lower highs and lower lows going here, so I think this is probably going to continue downward. I don't want to take a long trade here, so good thing we didn't. So now we're in a downtrend. Let's see if it crosses here. See, it's good to wait for the actual cross because it keeps going up. Okay, there is the cross. So we'll go short here. All right, see what happens. Okay, looks like that is a clear winner right there. 10, 20, 30, 40, 47 and a half. Boom. Okay. So then I might get another opportunity here. Not going to take this one because it looks like short-term sentiment here is up. So I don't want to take a short trade. However, probably would have been fine. I always tell myself if I don't feel good about it, if there's something in my gut, it's just not sitting right. That's not to take it. Let's look for the next opportunity. No. Looks like no. Probably would have been profitable though. That's all right. And market is closed. So that is that. This video is a little shorter, which I'm sure is better. But we did make a lot more money than we did in the last two. On the first one, my first video, it was like positive 11 or something. And the second one, we were down 10 or something like that. So I think this MACD strategy is much better on a higher time frame as opposed to a very short one. Who knows? Maybe it'll work better on the 1,000 or even the 2,000. But I think we're going to move away from November 9th and start moving forward with some other days and maybe some other strategies. Can't wait till next time.